With the tools being easy to use, there's quite a sort of a fast learning curve for the KAMs, and we do support with, during rollout, we support with training for the account management teams. We provide a very clear, detailed briefing guide. So by sort of running practice exercises and role playing and workshopping and things with the account managers, we can actually get them really comfortable using the tool, how they find certain pieces of information, how they access references, how they change assumptions. So by the end of that, they should feel very comfortable using it. And actually what we found has been quite useful is scheduling like follow-up meetings. Once the tool's actually been launched and is that being used out there in the field, to have sort of touch points with the client and perhaps a couple of representatives from the KAM team to tell us how it's going. How's it being received? Have they had any challenges? Perhaps they could share experiences of, well, one of my customers wanted to know this, and this is how I use the tool to answer that question. And that's actually been a really useful exercise, both for us, but also for our client teams as well.